Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Today I will discuss about the basic of bioinformatics. Let's start. What is bioinformatics and its scopes and its objectives of our life? Let's start. Okay. Introduction. Bioinformatics as a new emerging discipline combined mathematics, information science, biology, helps answer and biological questions. The word bioinformatics was first used in 1968 and its defined was the first given in 1978. Bioinformatics has been also referred to as a computational biology. However, strictly speaking, computational biology deals mainly with the modeling of biological systems. The main components of bioinformatics are the development of software tools and algorithms and the analysis of interpretation of biological data by using a variety of software tools and particular algorithm. Then I will discuss about what are the objectives of bioinformatics. There are few types of objectives. The main objectives are below. Bioinformatics is a transversal area applicable to all sectors of the life science for omics research. It is essential to handle the interpret large scale data. Bioinformatics are a high demand in academia, research and industry because a few people have the education and skill to fill the available position. The third, learning bioinformatics is a determined way to professional success. Bioinformaticians enjoy a vast range of research and professional jobs and earn competitive starting salaries. Bioinformatics expertise is highly valued. Innovation and technological ability and easy to adaptation to changes are intrinsic trait of bioinformatics, broadening and employability in the modern scientific and technological societies undergoing permanent renewal. What are the career opportunity and what is the career options in bioinformatics in the worldwide? Here are different types of career opportunity available for different streams, students, scientific creator and gene analysis, protein analyst, phylogenetist, research analyst, associate data programmer, bioinformatics software developer, computational biologist, network administrator, analyst, and structural analyst, molecular modeler, biostatistician, biomechanics, database programmer, chemoinformaticians, pharmacogenetician, etc. And what is the role of jobs? Uh, like professor, science technician, research assistant, bioinformatics scientist, bioinformatics analyst, junior research fellow, research associate, bioinformatics software development. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos and updates. Next video will be provide about tools, types of database, human genome project and practical training. Thank you.